The Senate leader say we are not qualified. Anybody, politician or leader, whether Senate leader, whether Senate president, that say there is not enough technology to power elections in Nigeria is a thief. Tell the Senate leader that I said if he believes that there is not enough electronic technology in this country, he is a thief and he's trying to steal the mandate of the people. Yes, if the Senate leader thinks there is not enough technology, he should go and meet kidnappers. He should meet terrorists. They should share the network where they use to call the kidnapped victims for them to send their ransom. Anybody who talks say there's no technology is a misfit. He is not supposed to be there. He has no business being in that place. They should get the hell out of there and allow people who have the capacity for this country to move forward. Issues of technology have been settled by INEC. INEC said they have the capacity. They have collected more than 800 billion. Waiting that they use and do. If they do not have enough technology, they should enter a partnership with Starlink. It will cost less than 100 billion for the 177,000 polling units. We will not take any shenanigans. This armed robbery will not continue. The National Assembly cannot take us for granted. They will not hold us hostage. Anybody who say there's no technology is a thief. Our vote must count. 2027, the power of the people will be greater and must be greater than the criminals in power.
I want to quickly ask you, being one of the leaders fighting for this electoral reform, what are the other plans that you have in place in case this protest does not produce the results that Nigerians are asking?
There is no question as to whether the protest will produce results or not. It is a movement that must produce results. So the question should be, how must we make it to happen? Because my sister, until the votes of Nigerians begin to count, our lives will not count. There is no country in the world where votes of people count, where leaders will be as irresponsible and as reckless as Nigerian leaders, where they will engage in the level of brazen corruption and criminality like Nigerian leaders. Their confidence is in a compromised electoral system and a compromised judiciary. There were more than 100 people kidnapped. The video released from Kwara State. Guess what? Kwara State governor is in Abuja trying to deliver the APC candidate for Amak election. Tinubu was in Kebbi State attending fishing festival when citizens of a country are with terrorists. Terrorists went to Kayama. They went door to door, bringing out more than 150 citizens and slaughtering them. People had their bodies dismembered. So today in Nigeria, we are cooperating with our own oppressors. How many are the people in that National Assembly? 105 senators, 360 House of Reps. Add all of them together. How many people are standing on the mandate which they shall collapse? So how many people are holding Nigeria as hostage? Our situation be like people where they kidnap. Instead of us to come together and fight for our rescue, we are busy giving excuses and cooperating with our oppressors. Enough. 2027, nobody should be afraid of free and fair election. Now when I get all governor, you get all National Assembly, you get police, judiciary, DSS, civil defense, city men, city boys, city everything, city dogs. Why you can't fear free and fair election? Why? Who is afraid? Why are you running APC? What is Tinubu afraid of? Shebi na him be Jagaban. So you have been governor, de facto governor of Lagos for more than 20 years. Yet you still need violence and election rigging to win your own home state of Lagos. You have a problem. You have a problem. Nigerians are not your problem. In 2027, our vote must count. And we must prove to them that the power of the people must be greater than the criminals in power. Finito.
So sorry. The person that came out this morning said the Senate has heard, the National Assembly has heard the people, and that we should have hope in them.
Yes.
I think Nigerians that people have hope in them, seeing that.
Oyibo Ndocha, so Oyibo, that is talk. Anything that he came to say here is super story. That is the spokesperson for the House of Reps. They have been coming to talk and talk. They have been listening. My sister, if there is no mischief, this National Assembly change national anthem in one day. Yes. When Tinubu want borrow money from OPE to clear money points, you know go use 10 minutes and you go approve them. The only thing where they take time to pass here is electoral act bill. The thing where go give power to the people to choose their leaders now in the day. They are listening. They are listening. As they have been listening, have they come out to tell you what caused the glitch in 2023? Has Mahmoud Yakubu come to tell you what he did with more than 300 billion he collected?
No.
Who are the contractors working for INEC? Who be the people where they print sensitive materials? Ori Buruku Naide they do. This kind of brazen criminality must not be condoned. Nigeria, we have tolerated too much. Our politicians are the most comfortable people because there is no accountability. And that is why they can continue to engage in this kind of criminality and rascality. We say enough. 2027, we will resist every attempt to steal the mandate of the people. Our vote must count. Our vote must count. Our vote must count. Our vote must count. God bless Nigeria. Nigeria must prevail.